Hello everyone, welcome to Motivation to Empower. Practice English sentences. మంచి రోజులు వస్తున్నాయి. Better days are coming. Better days are coming. ఏదైనా సరే నేను నీ కోసం ఉన్నాను. I am here for you no matter what. I am here for you no matter what. నేను నిన్ను నమ్ముతాను. I believe in you. I believe in you. త్వరలో పరిస్థితులు మెరుగుపడతాయి. Things will get better soon. Things will get better soon. క్షమించండి కానీ మీ అతిథులు చాలా శబ్దం చేస్తున్నారు. Sorry but your guests are being too loud. Sorry but your guests are being too loud. పైప్ లైన్లో లీక్ ఉన్నట్లు అనిపిస్తుంది. I think there's a leak in the pipeline. I think there's a leak in the pipeline. మీరు నాకు ఓ మంచి స్నేహితుడు. You are a good friend to me. You are a good friend to me. దయచేసి మీ కెమెరాను ఆన్ చేయండి. Please turn on your camera. Please turn on your camera. మీ కుక్క రాత్రంతా మొరుగుతూనే ఉంది. Your dog is barking all night. Your dog is barking all night. నిన్న చాలా వేడిగా ఉంది. It was very hot yesterday. It was very hot yesterday. నేను నా గదిలో ఉన్నాను. I was in my room. I was in my room. నేను నిన్న చాలా భయపడ్డాను. I was very afraid yesterday. I was very afraid yesterday. అది ఒక గొప్ప అనుభవం. It was a great experience. It was a great experience. అతను లైబ్రరీలో ఉన్నాడు. He was in the library. He was in the library. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.